We are the concerned citizens of the northern region as well as the northeast region. Our fellow compatriots, the November 4, 2011 attack on Damaturu, where over 120 people lost their lives. Also the 2nd October 2012 attack in Mubi, Adamawa State, where over 25 people lost their lives. The July 6, 2013 killing of 42 students in Yobe State, or the 29 September Gujiba College massacre, where over 50 students were killed in same Yobe State by Boko Haram terrorists. No, the October 29, 2013 attack on Damaturu that claimed the lives of over 30 persons. We would forget quickly the bombing attack that happened on the 1st of June 2014 Movie Town, Adamawa State, that claimed over 40 lives. Or the June 28, 2014 bombing in Bauchi State that killed 11 people. Not forgetting quickly the December 22, 2014 bombing at the Gombe bus station, where about 27 people lost their lives. We can go on and on. The list is so long and almost endless. That was our fate pre-2015. That is before the advent of President Muhammadu Buhari-led administration. The attacks were almost on a daily basis. Checkpoints were all across the northern region. It is very easy to forget the suffering of the past within a few moments of comfort. Those who live in those places and at those times may not, however, forget all of this experience so quickly. We were in the thick of it all, and so more than anybody or group understand the times and seasons better. It is the reason why our appreciation of the current peace, security and tranquility knows no bound. We want to say thanks to Mr. President Muhammadu Buhari and his great effort, and the men and women of the Nigerian Army who have been able to return to make sure that people of the northeastern state return back to their homes. Our people have now returned to their farms, and thankfully the rains have been consistent in the last few years, so it has been a bountiful harvest of good things for us in the last 4 years. Mr. President, we are indeed very grateful for keeping to your promise of restoring peace and security to the northeast region. We are all aware that you assure us you will deal with Boko Haram menace, and true to your word, you have dealt with them mercilessly. Today they are confined to only Sambisa forest, where they carry out attacks on soft targets. But today, Boko Haram no longer hoists their flags in any of our local government. Today, our territorial integrity is in full grip of the Nigerian state. Our sovereignty is no longer threatened by the activities of these terrorists. We want to say thank you, Mr. President. You are indeed Megaskia. Mr. President, we are indeed very grateful, and our solidarity thank you here today is informed by the need to thank you and to equally ask for more as peace has continued to return to our various states. We appreciate that you are making a lot of effort to equip the military and other security agencies. We appreciate your effort in setting up the Northeast Development Commission. It is a great intervention that has helped greatly in restoring peace through development. Our people, no doubt, have not had it this good in a very, very long while. In all of this, we are not unmindful of the impact of the cooperation of our various state governors with your government in order to achieve this peace. We commend our various governors too for their cooperation and smooth working with the Mr. President-led federal government. plus the cooperation with the Army and other sister security agencies. This cooperation is a major pillar in the task to restore normalcy in the Northeast region. This symbiotic relationship across board is perhaps a major reason for the defeat and elimination of Boko Haram terrorists in our various states. It has always been clear to us that to win the war against terrorists, our unity as a people and cooperation with the federal government and our great military is very important through provision of useful intelligence that will help our military and security agencies to perform better and more effectively for peace and progress of our country. As we appreciate you today, Mr. President, we want to use this great opportunity, like Oliver Twist, to ask for more. We ask that you do not relent in your effort, but rather we ask for more funding to our security agencies as well as the Northeast Development Commission, because they are assiduously working towards tackling insecurity in the Northeast as well as the Northwest region of our country.